Hey, if you are wondering if you can get rid of that Google search bar from your screen on the Pixel 9a, then the answer is short, yes and no. So what I mean, as a default, you actually cannot get rid of it. There's no any switcher inside the settings to turn it off. But if you go into the Google Play Store and download any launcher, you have to just input that phrase, launcher. There we go. So I just download this one, the Smart Launcher, that allows me to actually use that space where is that the Google bar, and it allows me to actually get rid of it. So that's how it looks. It's similar to the Pixel launcher. For sure, it looks a little bit different, but it allows you to do this. So that's how you can customize it. If you don't like it, if you don't want to use the third-party apps, you can for sure stay with that Google bar. So that's basically the short information that you are probably looking for. If you are wondering what kind of launchers you can download, there's actually a lot of them. So I can just recommend you to download like the highest rated apps and just pick it up, one or two different launchers. So I can recommend you the Niagara launcher, the Smart launcher. There's also the Microsoft launcher if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just try these apps, pick this one that fits your preferences the most, and thanks for watching.